Are you planning to join paramedical or allied healthcare courses after 12th? Then this update is extremely very important for you people. A new notifications for allied healthcare diploma courses 2026-27 has been released. Along with it, there are major changes in this courses structures and naming so that every students must understand. Hello everyone and welcome back to Think Optometry YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be clearly explain latest diploma courses available, important name changes, rules, and a major update some popular courses like DMLT, D.OTT, DMRT, so on. This notification was released on 12th March 2026. As per the new update, the term paramedical is officially replaced with allied and healthcare. This changes is based on the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department, Karnataka State Allied and Healthcare Council. One very important instructions in this notifications is all the paramedical colleges and institute must now use a name Allied and Healthcare instead of paramedical. This means institutions must update their names in official document and boards must reflect these changes. It ensures uniform recognizations across the country. Right now, in these notifications, include availability of a diploma courses such as Diploma in Anaesthesia and Operations Theatre Technology, Diploma in Dialysis Technology, Diploma in Radiotherapy Technology, Diploma in Health Information Management. These courses continue to be offered for the academic year 2026 and 27 onwards. The major update, other courses like DMLT, DMIT, DMRT, D.OTT, D.DM, D.DH and D.PT. Their eligibility criteria is already defined under the National Commissions for Allied and Healthcare Professions NCHP guidelines. But, however, as per the current directions, from the academic year 2026 and 27 onwards, these courses are expected to be offered mainly only BSc programs instead of diploma courses. So because of this, a new updated in above mentioned 5 to 6 courses, many private colleges have raised concern. There have been discussions and even legal court cases regarding on these issues. Institutions are seeking clarity and possible considerations. So currently there are some uncertainty and transitions happening in these courses. So as a student, you must clearly understand some diploma courses are to be continuing. Some diploma courses may be shift to degree. We call it as BSc program only. Always check the latest official update before applying. So this is transition phase in healthcare education. As per the latest guidelines, from 2026-27 onwards, there will be no SSLC, 10th standard eligibility criteria for the allied and healthcare courses. Earlier we call it as paramedical diploma courses. This means students cannot directly join these courses after 10th. For the above mentioned 4 paramedical or allied healthcare courses in these notifications, SSLC based admissions is completely removed. Minimum eligibility criteria for above mentioned 4 courses, PUC science is mandatory. And now what about other allied and healthcare courses? We call it as paramedical diploma courses. As per the NCHP guidelines like DMLT, D.OTT, DMRT, etc., only BSc courses are available. So the system is shifted towards degree-based educations. Diploma courses will be gradually discontinued. So in future,
Students must choose BSc, Allied and Healthcare courses. Diploma pathway will no longer be available.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.